Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Hill Climb Racing game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Microsoft Store on your device from the taskbar or by searching using the Spotlight. Once you open it up, make sure that you are logged in using your Microsoft account by using your credentials. And now you can simply click on the search box and type in Hill Climb Racing to start your search. Once you find the game, go ahead and click on it and you will find the Get button. Click on this button and this will begin the download and installation of the Hill Climb Racing game on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the play button and also get a notification at the bottom right corner. You can click on this notification or the play button to now open up the Hill Climb Racing game, and now you can start enjoying this game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Hill Climb Racing game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.